Welcome to Kidventurers, where every day is a new adventure.
Hi, explorers! I'm Captain Cosmo, and today we're going on our very first mission. We're making a real erupting volcano. It's super fun and super safe. Are you ready? Let's go! You only need 5 things from your kitchen: baking soda, vinegar, food coloring, red/orange, dish soap, a small plastic bottle, plus clay or paper to make the volcano, 1 scoop of baking soda, 1 spoon of dish soap, and a few drops of red food coloring. Now, add the vinegar. Boom! Look at that lava!
That's a real science reaction between an acid and a base.
When we mix vinegar and baking soda, they make a gas called carbon dioxide. And that's what pushes the lava up and out. Cool, right? Great job, Kidventurer! You just completed your first science mission! Want more fun adventures? Hit that subscribe button, it's chilling the crew!
Watch our next mission right here. And remember, always stay curious.